Good day, learners. So today we are time travelers. As time travelers, we are going to get into the time machine, and from the time machine, we are going to travel back in time to see what happened at that specific day in the past. So let's all get into the time machine. And now we have traveled back to 1880. We are in 1880 now, and what are we seeing there in the wild, wild west in 1880? There we are seeing cowboys that are busy riding their horses. So we moved back into the past, and in the past, we are seeing cowboys riding their horses at that specific time. So, what are we going to write in a sentence about this past continuous tense that we are seeing at the moment? We are seeing the cowboys were riding their horses in the Old West. So, it happened in the past, but we are seeing it at the very moment because we traveled back in time. Now, let's travel to someplace that's a little bit earlier. Let's travel to yesterday. Now we travel to yesterday, and yesterday we are seeing that your friends are busy texting you about schoolwork. So as we traveled back into time to yesterday, what we are seeing that yesterday she was texting her friend about schoolwork. So what is the most important thing for us to remember in regards to the past continuous tense? Past continuous tense always has was or were with the verb plus ing. So as we travel back into time, we are seeing what happened back in time at that specific moment.